discretion is advised.
Welcome back to the channel. We are back out on the farm and we're going to be here for the next couple days doing some hunting. I'm with Terry. He's got the 357 caliber Western Airguns Rattler, and then I've got my 30 caliber version. This is putting out just over 200 foot-pounds. I've got this tuned for right around 120 foot-pounds. We're using slugs, we're going after ground squirrels, and we've already taken a couple. Most that we're seeing are well beyond 100 yards. And we do have some wind today, and so it's kind of nice shooting the heavy calibers. We don't really have to worry too much about the wind, and these things are a powerhouse for sure. There are quite a few ground squirrels out here, but the issue is the grass is starting to get tall, and so it's really difficult to spot them. You really can't see them unless there's an area that has little grass, or if they really, they're standing up, is really the only time you can really spot them. Because in some of these spots, the grass is at least 24 inches tall. And so it makes it real difficult to spot them, but we have been taking quite a few. You just gotta wait a little longer than you normally would.
So far I got 6 squirrels today. It's kind of tough spotting them right now because the grass is coming up. We had a very wet winter this year. I haven't seen the grass this tall out in this property in a long time. But there's still plenty of sunlight, and I think we'll probably see another 5 or 6 come up out of the hole today before it cools down.
Right now we're just kind of walking through this property. Just a beautiful day. It's later in the afternoon. We do have some breeze, but I am seeing ground squirrels out here. Matter of fact, I see one right here. We'll see if we can take it. You got the squirrel? You got the squirrel. Good girl. This shot right here is a prime example of one that I definitely would not take with a larger caliber. Even if I did hit the squirrel, chances are you would get a pass through and it would go right into that building. We are camping out here tonight, and so I've set up the bell tent. I got the stove in here. We got some cots that we brought, so we're set up pretty well because it is starting to get pretty cold tonight. Right now I'm just cooking dinner. We haven't really eaten much today, and so we're gonna get that going. Hey, good morning guys. It is day 2. We kind of packed up our camp. We got a lot of the stuff in the truck and we moved to a different spot here on this farm where we're hoping we can take some ground squirrels today. It's a nice day, a bit cool, but we don't have a lot of wind like we did yesterday, and so I'm hoping we might have better luck. But we're gonna get a few things together and then I'll bring you guys back once we get to our spot. I'm no stranger to the Rattler's Performance, and I have been using this out in the field for well over 6 months. I've used it in a variety of situations, including long-range shooting. The Rattler in .30 caliber produces a huge amount of power, up to 180 foot-pounds, with slugs. Currently I have this gun configured to shoot the 65 grain NSAs at 930 feet per second, putting out just over 124 foot-pounds. I'm calling the Rattler the most censored airgun in the world because I think it puts other manufacturers in fear, really considering how much power it produces so easily with 0 modifications. I'm not aware of any other airguns that are actually being disallowed of being advertised on public forums. That alone should be enough to run out and buy one of these badass machines. For serious hunting, this gun is about as legit as they come, and I can't wait to show what Western Airguns has coming that's equally as censored.
I'm gonna walk up there and see what kind of carnage that 357 slug created.
I think Marley will handle it.
Yeah, Marley's gonna go find her right now. I think Marley's gonna draw more blood than that slug, but we'll see.
There we go. We're gonna wrap things up here. It's been a beautiful couple days. I had a lot of fun with the Rattler. I think between both of us we got right around 30 ground squirrels.
This thing's a cannon, and it's got some range and it's accurate. And as you can see, it'll take the head off of a ground squirrel, no problem, obviously. I shot at a couple of coyotes, and Dana got one, so that was cool.
Yeah, I did end up getting a coyote, and so pretty happy about that. I know the farmer is. He's had a big problem with the coyotes as well as the ground squirrels. And so we will be back. I was kind of limited with my time here, but I think we are going to come back. We'll spend a couple days, get you guys some more footage. But I really did enjoy using the Rattler. You know, I've had it for a while. I've used the heck out of this gun, and it's a lot of fun. Definitely gets out there. We were taking shots out to 150 yards, no problem. And we did have some wind. And so I'm pretty impressed with the gun. I know they are coming out with the new Sidewinder, which has a magazine which is removable, which you guys will see on the channel pretty soon. But I really appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment, or you guys can always email me at my website at mountainsportairguns.com. I'll try to get back to you. But until next time, we appreciate it.